Today's episode is my response to many of our subscribers who ask how my mom chose her boyfriend and what she likes or expects from a companion. My mom named her YouTube channel Nell's Solo Parent Hardworking Sexy Mom as a novelty title, meaning she wanted to be new and unusual but reflective of her self-confidence, self-esteem, and self-actualization. It is not bragging, vanity, or narcissistic mentality on her end. It's just the clickbait novelty and niche she promotes. Essentially, it tells subscribers or viewers upfront that she is a single mom and proud of her status and independence. Since she is a traditional Filipina, she prefers marriage over dating and a complete family, but accepts the reality, stigma, and stereotyping of single Filipina moms. Now, back to her desires, expectations, mindset, and how she accepts her present boyfriend is simple. When I asked him and her what was the attraction, allure, connection, or catalyst for their union, they both gave me the same answer. I will sum it up by his statement in a poetic or lyrical form. It's the way he gave it to me. Let me try to change it into his words with lyrics. He said the following. All my friends had to ask me something they didn't understand. How I got nails in the palms of my hand. And I told them I treat her like a lady. I do the best I can do. You have to treat her like a lady and over time she will give in to you. You know what I mean? I know you've heard that the Filipino woman will soon take advantage of you. But my friends, that just ain't Nell's attitude. There just ain't no substitute for treating her like a lady. You got to do the best you can do. You got to treat her like a lady and she'll give in to you. God knows you got to love her and please her. But most of all, you got to please her. You got to hold her and want her and make her feel you will always need her. You know, a woman is sentimental and so easy to upset. So make her feel that she's for real and she'll give you happiness, as strange as it seems. You know you can treat a woman mean. Always treat her with dignity and respect and accept her circumstances and situations with no regrets. So there you have it. I said it's an easy and simple way. If any man fails to do this, Nels will never look your way. But I'm going to treat her like a lady, so affectionately. I'm going to treat her like a lady, and she'll give in to me. I hope you can see and understand that, and hope you know what I mean. Just treat her like a lady, not a single man, and the stars will align. If it's fate and destiny. I tried my best to put both of their words into lyrics and poetry where I could. I admit I listened to many songs to help me with the poetry and lyrics. Hope you got the message. Please subscribe to our channel and enjoy our unique brand and form of entertainment. We will expand our content and be more creative as we increase our knowledge, skills, and abilities. We are family. Thanks for watching. See you the next episode.